Ako po si Nida Ramirez and I'm the publisher for 19th Avenida Publishing House. We publish comics, graphic novels, and fiction. Isa sa pinakamalaking at pinakaaabangan naming event ito taon-taon kasi this is where all the Filipino readers get together along with the Filipino publishers, and it's a great time to actually launch new titles from our Filipino authors. So it's a very fun, exciting place for all Filipino bookmakers and readers.
Then you get to interact with your fans.
Yes, yes. Ay, napakabait nila. Napakabait nila. We have very, very nice and intelligent readers, and we are very happy to have them every year with us. Very supportive of all the books that we are launching every time. Personally, for Avenida, this is big for us because this is the first time that we're launching 9 new titles for Manila International Book Fair. So medyo, it's a lot of stress and pressure before the fair, but definitely it's something very, very special for us.
Ano pa pwede namin i-look forward naman sa mga ilalabas niyo in this coming months?
Okay, for the coming months, especially sa mga fans ni Bob Ong and Ronaldo Vivo, we're coming out with the next Ronaldo Vivo Jr. book, and then we're also going to come out with the new edition of Stainless Longganisa by Bob Ong. And it's an extended edition.
May date na po ba yun?
We're targeting November.
Wow, malapit na.
Yes, medyo. Sabi ko nga, we've noticed na dumadami at lumalakas ang mga book clubs, book reading communities, and uso siya ngayon. It is actually very a good thing to do, a popular thing to do to read books right now. So we are very hopeful for the next generation kasi marami sa mga bagong henerasyon natin ang nagbabasa ngayon at nagbabasa ng akdang Pilipino. Yeah, so we have our social media accounts. Please follow My Avenida PH in all of the social media platforms, and we also have a Shopee store and a website store where you can purchase all of our books aside pa sa availability dito sa mga local bookstores na paborito niyo. Maraming salamat po. And we still have until Sunday to visit. MIBF will be here. All our books are on discount, so grab your chance to get a copy of the books at really, really great prices. Maraming salamat.